Kia ora and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. Digital citizenship is key to building relationships of trust with learners. As educators, we must teach and support our learners how to navigate their way through the digital age so that they are safe, responsible, and respectful online. Educators should be open and transparent about what they see using the Hāpara suite. With guidance, learners will begin to develop healthy and responsible habits in their digital lives. Integrating the key elements of digital citizenship into the classroom can play a vital role in achieving this goal. To set up learners for success, take some time at the beginning of the year to show them what you can access in the Hāpara suite and how you'll use it to keep them safe and focused during online lessons. Talk through what it means to show integrity when engaged in an online task, what the potential distractions are, and how learners can deal with them proactively. Hāpara Highlights is an ethical screen monitoring tool that helps learners develop digital citizenship skills. Educators get visibility into their learners' real-time progress during online learning and can see learners' Chrome browsing tabs. Sending a message to a student, a group, or the entire class supports students' learning. This message can be a positive comment to move the students' learning forward or a gentle redirection if needed. Educators can help learners become responsible, ethical, and informed digital citizens by integrating digital citizenship into their daily classroom work. Collaboration between educators and students is crucial in promoting safe and healthy online behavior and maximizing the benefits of the digital world while minimizing its potential risks. Thanks for watching.